What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and as you can tell behind me, I've got a lot of wheels. Now, a lot of you out there may not know that we are quickly becoming one of Central Florida's largest reseller of wheels. So if you like Ferrada, TSW, Black Rhino, Asante, Boston, MHT, anything and everything. Oh, Axe. I love their wheels. Their wheels are dope. If you're into any of these, we are a reseller for all of them and so much more. Take a look at what we just got in stock for Ferrada. I think you're gonna like them. There's some really cool stuff. Check them out, and in the comments section, let us know what you think.